Hi, in this video, I would like to demonstrate how you can fix the partial output issue of the pathogen details in the TSPS. You can refer the knowledge article 300262687. For more details, you can refer the BMC documentations mentioned into the same article. I will cover one of the example. So I will run the curl command to get the pathogen details. However, in case if you have more than 2000 pathogens in your environment and the displayed output will be limited to those 2000 pathogens only. So the entries after those 2000 pathogens will not be populated. For the curl command details as mentioned, you can refer the article and the BMC documentation. I am going to run the following curl command, for which I need the auth token from the TSPS. You can get the token using the REST API call using a post method. This is very quick step. I will show you how you can do that. This is Postman tool. Use the mentioned API call with the post method. Under the header section, get the content type with the value application/JSON. In the body section, specify the three parameters: username, password, and the tenant name. Here, the username, password, and the tenant name we are using when we are getting into the TSPS UI. So once you click on the send button, you will get the auth token with the status code 200. This is the auth token that I am going to use in my curl command. I may not be able to reproduce this issue in my lab, but I will show you the output of the curl command. As I mentioned earlier, if you have more than 2000 pathogens in your environment, the displayed output will be limited to 2000 only. You will see that each pathogen details entry in the pathogen details, this one, and the IP address. To fix this issue, you can run the following commands in your TSPS. Go to the TSPS bin directory, run the command tssh properties set manage device page agent count limit -1 in the quotes, and you can run that properties using the command tssh properties reload. Rerun the curl command and verify the output. This concludes my video. Thank you for watching.